Welcome to First Person Care Consultants. We're an IRIS consultant agency and nonprofit organization that supports people who are interested in self-directing their care services. Self-direction is a huge focus of IRIS and one of the program's best benefits. As an IRIS participant, you still have control over all aspects of your life, and you can even hire family, friends, or an agency to provide your care services. In IRIS, you work to accomplish self-made goals you create with the help of your IRIS consultant. This helps you maintain independent, community living while also receiving assistance in the areas where you need support. We have a history of success serving people in long-term care programs. Our parent organization, Centers for Independence, or CFI, has provided services for people with disabilities for over 80 years. CFI's longevity stems from practicing the values of understanding people, leading success, and working together. These are the same values we practice when caring for people in the IRIS program. Here at First Person, keeping you independent and happy is at the forefront of everything that we do. That's why we provide a variety of services to help you, like developing tailored support and service plans, IRIS program and form education, and conducting annual screenings. Our consultants have extensive case management experience and special expertise that extends far beyond just assisting people enrolled in the IRIS program. Many of our consultants also have backgrounds in therapy, trauma-informed care, mental health, alcohol and other drug abuse, and more. If you have any questions that you would like us to answer directly, you can get in touch with us by calling 414-336-2448 or emailing us at info@firstpersoncare.com. Thank you for watching, and we hope to serve you soon.